Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Gali Ramadan Saputra. I'm from X1 TKJ from SMK Madinatul Quran. Now we are going to study about how to build mail server. In this case, I give example on local. We start here. Assume that you have the mail server. Here I use the Debian 10 on VirtualBox. You can use what you have. I minimize here. Is booting. We wait. And the material is depend to pertigaan.my.id, which is this is my MyMassApp website. So you can visit it for study. Okay, we will login here. The username is root and password 1234. Let's check the IP. Then command API. My VirtualBox IP here 192.168.56.122. And I have virtual machine based on Debian 10 and on VirtualBox, and the IP address is here. So I connect it with PuTTY here. For this as 192.168.56.122. Yes. Login as root. The password is 1234. Okay, the material is ready. Clear here. Okay. Now first you must change the user to the root privilege. Then install the material which is needed to build a mail server. This is the material which is needed to build a mail server. Copy here for the easiest. So you right click here and then enter. Yes. We wait to download. Is it okay? Here is my website, my material for build mail server on Debian 10. If you use Ubuntu, maybe it is same. The configuration is same. You also configure it in cloud or local. In this case, I use for studying in local. We wait the download until done. Wait here. Maybe I will skip the video for short the duration.
I continue my video. After installation, you will see this configuration. You say internet site, you choose here, enter, and domain name up to you. For example, this is ourdomain.com. Okay, and wait until the progress is 100. And you can see the tutorial here on pertigaan.my.id. We wait until finish. Check.
Okay, when the installation is finished, we continue to the second. Second, open the main POSIX configuration here. We write here, clear plus nano etc POSIX main.gf. Enter. Then add the line home mailbox maildir on the main configuration here, on of the bottom, end of the line. We scroll down. Here we write home mailbox maildir / Ctrl X, then yes, enter. Then third, open the dovecot configuration. Here, you write nano etc dovecot.conf here, and then change the line listen to listen. We should listen here. Here. We change to this, to here. Listen equal here. We erase the alt bar. Here, Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Then, fourth, open the out dovecot configuration on nano etc dovecot conf d 10 out conf. We wait here. Nano /etc /dovecot /conf. You can just step for faster, like that. 10/10 out.conf. Then change the line plaintext to disable plaintext out no. Here we found the text, we activate it, and change yes become no. Ctrl X, Y, and enter. Done. And then fifth, open the mail dovecot configuration here. We can just copy and paste for the faster. Then add the line mail location, mail dir, and here. Now, the important is here. This tag we deactivate. Put here, and this is activate. Yeah, just like that. And then Ctrl X, Y, yes. 6. Make mail folder for the with the command below. We copy here and paste here. Yes. And 7. Reconfigure postfix with the command below. We write dpkg says reconfigure postfix. Enter here. And we will select this configuration, and you just choose the internet site. Enter. System mail name, for example here our domain.com. Okay, root and postmaster mail recipient, you can use root. Okay, and for example this is destination to accept mail. You can just put Google, maybe Gmail, sorry, or Yahoo. This is for learning. Okay. For second update on mail queue, no. And here you add 0.0.0.0/0. Okay. Then the installation is done. So the 8th, insert on code for webmail. This is copy, paste. You enter here, and yes, the installation will work. Run code for webmail. So you like gmail.com, you can use it for send mail or retrieve the mail. We wait until the installation is done. Okay, the RunCop installation almost done. And we will see the configuration RunCop core, and we just choose yes. MySQL application password for RunCop, for example 1234. Okay, 1234. Okay, the installation of RunCop almost done. Here the installation is done, and the name configure RunCop configuration. We will put comment here nano /etc. Maybe I will clear the screen first. Then nano /etc /runcop /config in.php. This is the last step for RunCop installation. Give us the signal that good mail server is almost done here. Then change the default host SMTP server, SMT user, and SMPT port. Here, the image we configure here. Config default host. we will use the AP first. For advanced, you can use the mail for you. For example, your domain.com maybe. But in this case, for studying, we will use the AP 192.168.56.122 and configure the SMTP server. Here, we change become a AP, our server AP 168.56.122 here, and SMTP port by default 25, and SMTP user URL here like this, you blank it, and SMTP pass you blank it, URL here. If done, you will Ctrl X and Y, enter to save configuration. Now 10. Configure the web server to point it to webmail run code. I use Apache. I clear first because I use Apache to show the root of configuration here on sheet available. But if you use Nginx, maybe your root web server in conf d. But in this case, I use Apache and paste here. cd etc apache 2/set available, enter. Sorry, cd etc apache 2 and then status available here. Clear the comment. Maybe this is the typo. I will fix it as soon as possible. And then WLS here, we will see the 00 default conf and default SSL conf. So we copy the 00 default conf, become a mail.conf. So first save cp 00 tab and mail.conf here. And then we enter to the mail.conf nano mail.conf here, and here we will server admin here, localhost, maybe root, for example root at your domain.com. Document root, this is the important. You point to var lib/round code here, and server name you activate it, and you change www.example.com become your AP 192.168.56.122. Ctrl X, Y, and enter to save configuration and clear. And so you activate your configuration with command to nset here, to nset mail.com. We copy here, and here we paste the right click here and enter. And then our configuration is done, and the last is restart all of service. The first, restart the postfix configuration here. After that, we will restart the dovecode here, and the last we will start the Apache 2 here. After that, we will make a user for tester. For example, add user Bob here. The password 1234. Okay, enter, and we add again add user, for example Bob and Junior here 1234. Okay, if the configuration is that, we just try it, then try it with the access the HTTP your AP here. Okay, for example here HTTP our AP 192.168.56.122 here, enter. This is the welcome pack of Roundcop webmail, and we login with username which we made it last. Username here Bob, the password 1234. Okay, nah, this is the display from webmap, and we just try the one again. Who? Junior, the password 1234. Enter. Now, until this, the configuration to build mail server is done, and you can make a email for your friend maybe, but this is use API. If you want to use the domain, you just write up your domain here. Okay, thank you very much.